going on? It's your boy Danny Day Trades. We're back with another trade. I recently blew every single account that I had, every single one. So I took a long break, and after all of it, I've decided I need to demo trade for a while and get my psychology right. Once it's back, I'll try again with another funded account. Once I pass that, I'm going to record everything this time and post it to YouTube and make sure that I make TikTok videos of it, so I'm fully accountable for all my actions and I do not miss anything, because I think that's very necessary for the steps I'm about to take. So if we go into this trade, I did it just before I started recording. Where's the higher time frame? Hold on. So higher time frame NQ. We're looking at, obviously we've had 1, 2, 3 days. It's just bearish, heavily bearish over the past couple of days. So I'm just going into today. Obviously new day open from Tuesday into Wednesday. Price has just trailed up very slowly in the Asia session to London session. We just had price, as you can see, from when we opened. It's just trailing up, building in these lower lows, these higher lows. Here, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. All liquidity. Anyways, we've got to, if I can get it back, where was we? Here. We've got to consequent encroachment of this sell-side imbalance, buy-side inefficiency on the 1 hour chart. And that is 21,329 and a quarter. This high is 21,329 and a quarter. Bang on consequent encroachment. Now, obviously it's bearish. I'm sticking with things are going to be bearish until this low gets taken out, or this low, or maybe the relative equal lows. Who knows? But that's a stretch. But I'm looking at this low, basically, or the previous day's low. This one to be taken, and I'm going with power of 3 right now, where we open, get some kind of movement upwards, which is the manipulation, and then of course you get distribution. Now price has, I think, doing the manipulation phase right now. It's manipulated into, like I was saying, the consequent encroachment of the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency on the 1 hour chart. It's hit it perfectly, consequent encroachment, and it's dropped aggressively. Now that drop was here. This is like 1 hour candles. But yeah, we just as well had the high in London taken out. So that's like a little total soup here. And then it's dropped. So obviously as it's dropped, it's created this order block here on the 15-minute chart, which I've just highlighted here. This is on a 5-minute. We've come away aggressively, kind of using a 2022 model where the buy side liquidity is taken here, and then you get a market structure shift, takes out these lows. So you get your market structure shift here, and then you've got your obviously displacement, which I'm putting on a 5-minute chart as a 5-minute sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and this being obviously where you're going to enter and look to go short. Now I'm only targeting the relative equal lows on the London session, just here. Obviously I don't need anything else other than that. I just marked out obviously the order block on the 15-minute chart. So this order block here, marked out on a 5-minute, and just find consequent encroachment, which is 21,318, and I put the stop loss just above at 21,318 and 3/4, because it should not go past there if it is bearish. It should not. And yeah, so I put a limit order in. It's filled me. It's still in the 5-minute CB. I'm expecting it to stay here for a little bit, but obviously the bodies are still respecting the consequent encroachment right now of it. And yeah, pretty much just waiting for it to flush down the toilet and go to the TP at 21,261 and 3/4. Now I expect that to happen. Obviously, if I had micro contracts instead of minis, I would use 4 micro contracts. So I'm kind of over leveraged here with 1 contract. I like how as well we created a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency on a 15-minute chart, and we've traded up into it with this candle. Obviously created that on a 5-minute, traded up into it, and now you should look to break lower, taking out this low that's just been created over here on the 1-minute chart, and then these relative equal lows at London, which is what I'm targeting as a TP. I'm gonna take that off. But yeah, if I was trading with micros, I would trade with 4 macros, take 2 off at the lows that were created here, and then I'd leave 2 on as a runner for the relative equal lows at London session over here. But obviously I can't, so what I'm going to do is just move the stop loss to break even plus some commissions once price reaches this low here, and then just wait for it to get to the TP, and that is pretty much it, to be honest. Yeah, I was trading quite well, being very disciplined in my evaluations. I was trading London Silver Bullet, American AM session Silver Bullet. Hardly had any problems, and then get funded and it all goes out the window, and I start going crazy like a bull in a china shop. Click, buy, sell, money. So yeah, I'm back to square one. Every trader knows how it goes. I just need to get out of that impulsive mindset of going mad once I'm funded. I've been funded more than a few times. I'm gonna upload some videos to TikTok of like the befores and afters, and then obviously when I start getting payouts and stuff, I know it'll come. It's just a matter of time. Just staying focused in the moment when you're funded and forgetting about the money. It's just about the trading. Like this, like I can be so patient here, just watching it. I feel confident knowing what's gonna unfold because I'm looking at my analysis and I'm thinking, yeah, I've done these trades before. Even if it doesn't, and it hits a stop loss, like woohoo, like it's hit a stop loss. Okay, you've gone into drawdown. I know how to get out of it. But in the real world, I've got no chill. Once I'm funded, I have no freaking chill. But yeah, let's wait and see what happens. Hold on, give me a sec. I'm just going to do what's that thing? Intermission, and change my jumper quickly. We're live. So this is obviously outside of him. 4 hours. If I'm not mistaken. This is a time for sure. Maybe not. Trading is about patience, sitting and waiting to see what happens. And trusting in yourself and being disciplined enough not to do anything else, even if you're incorrect. I just need to remember that when I'm doing this for real, funded. Because when it's done, I'll have no problems. That's because it's not real money, bro. You're right. Where's the music? I'm just looking for music right now. Let's go with this. And my speakers are not gonna get.
There are those of us who like to venture to the unexplored, to see the beauty of the strange and unknown. Those of us who go out there with a sense of wonder. It's the magic of risking everything for a dream that nobody sees but you. Beyond this place, wrapped tears looms for the shadow of the shade. Yet the menace of the years finds and shall find no unafraid. Matters not how straight the gate, how punishment charges the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. Let me tell you about a voice, the one that whispers. It tells me what's right and what's not, when to leave and where to go. It's not Shakespeare. It does not speak in memorable lines. My inner voice always gives it to me straight. Tells me who my real friends are, when to say yes, when to say no. Whether the person sitting next to me is the one I'll be spending the rest of my life with.
It's a strange thing. It's a strange thing. This way I feel. It's a strange thing. It's a strange thing. This way I feel. It's a strange thing. It's a strange thing. This way I feel. It's a strange thing. It's a strange thing. This way I feel.
This whole time I've been talking, the mic has been muted. That is crazy. I just realized. I literally just realized. I was just saying how beforehand that the bodies above the 5 minute Sibi's consequent encroachment on the 1 hour on the 1 minute chart looks obviously like a little bit messy, but on the 5 minute the bodies are generally staying around consequent encroachment, like they're pretty neat, so I like that. So for the trade, I don't even know what you heard and what you didn't hear, to be honest. That's a bit annoying, but yeah, I was just saying, maybe if you missed it, I don't know. 4 hour chart, the buy side and balance, sell side and efficiency on the 4 hour chart is what I'm also targeting as a take profit, you know, just the high of it. Yeah, I don't know what you missed, so you're dude. We shall see. Just a question. This is a random question, really, but when you guys are in trades, maybe that are going on for like an hour or two, what do you do in that hour or two? Me, I tend to just like play chess, or I'll just do something that's like close to the screen, but obviously not just watching the charts, because I don't like to do that. I used to do that a lot, but now I kind of just like to not set and forget, because sometimes I do have to manage it, you know, to see if how price is moving. But yeah, I just like to switch screens, you know, play some chess while the chart's still on, obviously, so I can manage anything if something changes. But yeah, I'm just interested to find out what does everyone else do. So I think I'll move my stop loss to break even now, plus some commissions. Did that work? What was that? I'm confused. What happened? It was moved? No. Okay. Well, to be honest, we haven't had a candle closure below this low yet, so maybe I was a bit too hasty in moving a stop. because it might have wicked and come back up. But I'm gonna trust the bearish price action. Once you get a candle closure on the 1 minute below, I think it's safe to say it's not coming back up to the level where I entered the trade. And yeah, well, that was the candle closure, but a wick on a 5 minute. If I had obviously the original 4 micros on, which I should have done, these are kind of things I kind of need to get used to when demo trading, because it's all good habits, isn't it? As it's a demo, that's the only reason I did 1 contract, but if I was doing an actual funded account, I would have done the 4 micros. Yeah, so 2 of them would have come off at that low, so I'd be in for 2. Stop would have been moved to break even, and now I'm just targeting the relative equal lows at London session, which as I was saying is the fair value gap on the 4-hour chart, the buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. And yeah, based on everything I said is the reason why I took that trade. And that should be TP hit, and it didn't close out because of some kind of volatility, so I think I'm going to manually close, or there you go, is it hit? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on right now. Oh, so it did get executed. Yeah, it's just I think TradingView's paper trading a bit dodgy. No offense, but yeah, that's the trade. As I said, I walked through it. One thing I did miss, as I was saying, was the SMT on the 4-hour between NQ and ES, and I think that's about the only thing I did miss, which could have been potentially bad. But yeah, I trusted my analysis. Yeah, and yeah, trust the process, don't rush the process. I'm gonna try and keep posting more, so like how I'm demo trading now, I mainly stick to the silver bullet London session and silver bullet AM New York session, as I was saying, but I'm gonna demo trade until I'm confident again in I'm confident in going for another funded account. It's just when I get funded, I just do stupid things. But yeah, we're gonna build ourselves back up, and I'm gonna post videos regularly on YouTube, start my TikTok, and just be accountable for everything that I do. Basically, is what I'm doing this for, so I can see exactly what I'm doing, and I'm accountable because it's all recorded, and I'm not making stupid mistakes with no one watching. And then it's like, yeah, well, no one knows about it, haha. Like, I can just do these things. No, I'm making sure that I'm accountable for every mistake that I make, and it should be posted and completely transparent to everyone to see. And yeah, then I'm completely accountable for all my actions, and I will be able to see exactly where I'm going wrong, even though I know I'm going wrong. But anyways, that was the trade. Trust the process, don't rush the process. Let's get it.